Yeah, still 20th April. I'm still up here at the little building. I about decided that casters are my friend. I put 4 casters on my little 12-ton press. Definitely the bomb. And I've always had to drag this thing out of its storage area to use it. And with the casters, and they're all 4 locking, all 4 swivel. Just welded them onto the little pieces of angle iron on the bottom. It's good enough. You don't have to go crazy. You could also, if you wanted to, get you one of these larger wooden dollies from Harbor Freight. It would sit on that just easy. You could screw it down there. I think those are $24 if they're not on sale. The little casters, these are called 3-inch. You measure from the base plate to the edge of the tire, and these are 3-inch casters. You don't measure the wheel, you measure the overall. They'll give you dimensions on the base plate. These are set up to be bolted on, but for me it's just easier to weld it. Use my little Yes Welder again, plugged into 110 volt. I'm seriously starting to love that thing. Just the more you use it, the better you get. And it's sweet. Just hit it with some black spray paint. I don't have any orange, and I'm not going to spend $12 for a can of spray paint. I had black, good enough. Keeps it from corroding, that's all I'm trying to do. Some guys say, well, if you weld on a caster and you break the caster, you can't get it off. Well, you can. You grind off the weld, and be perfectly honest, I've never broken a caster. Could be I'm just lucky. I didn't put them on a piece of plate steel and weld the plate steel to the angle iron. This thing doesn't weigh that much. It's just more than you want to pick up and carry. Whereas my pipe thread machine, it needed a little bit more support on these steel casters I put on the front to make it easier to roll. My Marvel draw cut saw came with casters already installed, and that jack brake. That's pretty nice. Of course, I put casters on my chop saw sand on a plate. I'll do a close-up so you can see what I did, because I welded the pipe. And I got full circumference weld on the little pieces of plate and welded the casters in 4 points each. This vise table already had casters on it. I can't remember if I built that thing or not. If I built it, it was over 20 years ago. I'm going to say a definite maybe. My grinders, I don't need to be on casters. My Lincoln welder, I got on a dolly from Harbor Freight, perfect size. So yeah, casters are my friend. I like them. These things are $4 a piece on Amazon, delivered. I got Prime. And I'm getting smarter. Instead of ordering 4, order 12. Why? I don't know. I'll need it for something sooner or later. I'm building a little smoky right now because I've been welding. This is a flux core wire, so it smokes. And been running the AC a couple hours. It's dropped the humidity from 70 to 62. Temperature's right on 70. Kind of pleasant in here, a little smoky like I said. So anyway, you crank on my exhaust fan, clear the smoke, and put my stuff up. That's all for this one. Thank you.